Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to active free VPN in Motorola G67. First of all, open Play Store. Now in Play Store, click on search bar, search VPN. Now here you will see VPN. Select VPN that you want to install. After selecting VPN, click on install. After completing install, click on open. Click on language, select language that you want. After selecting language, click on connect, then click on OK. Now go back. After that, open settings, click on network at internet, click on VPN, click on VPN setting and turn on this button. After turning on this button, active free VPN from your phone. This is how you can active free VPN in Motorola G67. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.